China is the same name shared by both a country and ceramics. In overseas, ceramics were originally called China ware, also known as Chinese tiles, and later shortened to China. China has a long history of ceramics and is also a major producer. In Chinese history, especially in the history of Sino-foreign culture exchanges, ceramics played a special role. Ceramic is a universal artistic language. As time develops and the aesthetic needs improves, ceramics are gradually no longer for practical use. They have unique language functions and aesthetic standards. In Shandong Art Museum, a joint exhibition of ceramic art entitled "The Crossing Culture Boundaries Dialogue" is on display. Ceramic artworks by two famous artists from China and Norway, Yuan Hailong and Torbjørn Kvasbø, are presented in the same space. About 60 ceramic artworks, including porcelain plate paintings and sculptures, show novel ideas and unique perspectives. The tensile modeling brings magnificent visual impact. In the collision of ceramic art from different countries and creative backgrounds, we have seen cultural exchanges without exclusion and prejudice, but with respect and appreciation. As the saying goes, your ego is writing checks your body can cash, which means do not take up porcelain work without a diamond cutter. The diamond cutter of Shandong is the porcelain capital Zibo with Millennium Campfire. Zibo had a history of porcelain making for thousands of years. As a representative of Zibo ceramics, contemporary national kiln, Huaguang Ceramics has been on the world stage on behalf of China for many times, and has been collected by Ziguangge, National Museum of China, National Art Museum of China, British Royal Family, etc., showing the world the beauty of Chinese porcelains and the etiquette style of a great country. In 2024, the Year of the Dragon, the theme for the gala is "The Soaring of the Dragons Bring Joy to China." The porcelain bowl made by Huaguang Ceramics is decorated with golden reliefs and the soaring dragon in the background of Chinese red. Depicting China's vigorous development and a flourishing age, porcelains are modeled in fire and repeatedly polished in life. Each of them grows and blossoms a richer cultural connotation, showing the most beautiful posture. The profound ceramic culture and artistic heritage perfectly explain the Chinese people's sense of ritual and their feelings about precious moments in life.